Hey guys, it's Nick and Viv from Perpato with Envy.
Hey.
Today we're in Niagara Falls, Ontario, and we're going to show you the Night of Lights, or the Festival of Lights, or just the Christmas lights that they have all set up here, up and down along the falls. Stay tuned to the end where we show you the falls all lit up.
Are you ready for the walk with us? Come along. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, we're in Niagara Falls, December 30th here, and we are going to see all of the lights that they have set up for the holiday season. We're coming off the bottom end of Clifton Hill sorry, and walking towards the falls. And they've literally decorated all of the trees with lights. I don't know if you can see the one in the back there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Guys, I think I'm just gonna be quiet for a little bit here and maybe put some music on for you and enjoy the scenery. But before I put that music on, I just wanna say we really appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. We really appreciate it. And stay tuned for more stuff to come. Here we go. Hey guys, so that was the Night of Lights here in Niagara Falls, Ontario on December 30th, 2021. We hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for future videos. We do appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, guys.
And have a healthy, happy, and safe new year. We'll see you in 2022.